Okay. This is my end of course project for the Managing Machine Learning Projects course. The project is about defining the steps to create an ML-based solution for resource forecasting for professional services. So we want to optimize the weekly staffing decisions through machine learning-driven effort forecasting to improve utilization and profitability in professional services projects. Let's look at the opportunity evaluation. The problem is that project managers and people managers must decide weekly how many resources to assign to each project, and these decisions are currently based on manual forecasts and individual experience, often leading to inconsistent staffing outcomes. Why this is a good opportunity to use machine learning? Because inaccurate forecasts impact delivery quality and profitability. Under allocation can cause delays and dissatisfaction, while over allocation can increase costs and reduce profitability. ML can identify patterns across historical projects beyond manual estimation. We have historical data on actual hours per role and project category, and we can generate weekly batch forecasting. The risk is moderate as the model supports not automate staffing decisions. Now let's see how we will outline the CRI-SPDM methodology for this project. So the business objective is to optimize resource utilization and keep profitability across a defined threshold. And this is done by improving forecast accuracy for staffing decisions. Forecasts are currently created manually at project start and updated weekly. The data mining goal is to forecast weekly role level effort per project. Predictions are generated at project start and updated weekly using only information available, planning time, and the plan, which is weekly updated by the PM. The outcome metrics are professional services profit margin above 25% and average utilization around 70% with a deviation of plus minus 5% maximum. Model performance is measured by forecast error versus actual hours. Let's look at the solution variation plan. Projects are classified by scope and volume. Historical patterns are used to forecast weekly role level efforts. Forecasts are linked to standard delivery plans and updated as plans evolve. The baseline today is an average absolute deviation from 70% of utilization of above 10%. So we need to bring this below 5%. In production, we will compare forecasts with actual hours at weekly and monthly basis. We will make iterative experiments, first with baseline averages by category, then project categorization, finally plan-based adjustments with weekly PM updates. And we will evaluate the experiments looking at the forecast error and utilization deviation. Now let's have a look at the machine learning solution design. Forecasts will be are generated at project start and updated weekly. The batch needs to be the forecast batch needs to be generated weekly. The system provides recommendations only, so the PM and people managers will retain the final decision authority around the staffing decisions. The retraining will happen quarterly. We will earlier retraining triggered by performance degradation. What we will monitor is forecast error, utilization deviation, and profitability deviation. Potential risks to look at in production. misclassification or new scopes, product enhancements which reduce effort, and finally, changes in business targets. We're going to monitor new product features, project characteristics, forecast error, organization stability, and profit, and retrain and update categories when degradation is detected. Thank you.